Sometimes something beautiful happens like this. Look at this. The rest, not much to see. Only snow, snow, snow. If you got it tricked me again today. And of course these things. So today a little tour around the house and the greenhouse. These are inside at the moment. My Cyathea cooperi tree ferns. Then I have an aquarium, how is it called? Tank, where I put in my cuttings from the bougainville, and I sowed also tree ferns like Dixonia, cooperi, etc. Then here we have the Balbisiana Thai Black Musa. This one is a small, oh, what's the name again? It's in Dutch is granaatappel. I forget it, don't know. This you all know. This is my Brasiliensis mitis, I think that's called. I don't really know. So if you have those little pesky flies in your inside or wherever, you can better buy something like this that eats them raw, and you can also put up these things. They will catch them, and also the white flies. So this is my propagator. At the moment you see the Spanish flag is germinating, the Cleomas white are germinating, and all the rest is still doing nothing at all. Ah yes, I see something. Let me focus. There it is. That's sprouting Canna Tukaraimi. The first one. Oh, back up. Back up. That will be cut out. Okay, then next room. Albizia Golgado. I don't know if you can see it with the backlight. Then here we have our plumerias. Don't know if they're gonna make it this year. And again, the one I told and I forgot the name, and I still don't know the name. Oh wait, label. It's Punica Nanus? Oh, doesn't matter. It's a Punica. Look, it's almost flowering again. Okay, behind me a few colocaceas. I really need to put some labels in them. This is the Laosi that I know, and then those two big ones. I forgot the names. Sorry for that. So here we have something I sowed. Let me put out the lights. That I sowed previous year. It's a climber, but I don't know. If you have an idea, send me, but I don't know what it is. I think I got the seeds free, but I don't know. Okay, two bigger Encetic glaucums, bougainvilles, a lot of Albizia golgada, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have the Armeria maritima. It's a small plantlet. I think beautiful flowers, purple. Here we have, oh, what's that called again? You know, we call it Susan with the beautiful eyes. I don't know the name. Sorry again for that. Really need to label all. Then we have a row of Puya venusta. This row here in the middle. Then we have a row Puya Berteroniana, I think. Sorry again. And then we have these prickly things. They are called Solanum piracanthum. I like those. The only thing I'm interested in is how big the leaves will be this summer. Look at those spikes. Look at those spikes. And again, my flycatchers. These are Drosera capensis, so they are not hardy, but inside it's no problem. This is the Pride of Madeira. I forgot that name also. And oh, okay. And especially for Vincenzo. Look, I have also a small Martianus Nepal from 2018 from seed inside. Okay, let's put on the lights again. Let's go further. So inside, I think you all know what this is. This is my Dixonia Antarctica. I put it in a big construction on wheels because it's easier to move when it's really cold. Then here we have another beautiful palm that's called, let me see, Trinax acanthocoma. Very nice. Okay. These are agapanthus. I need to repot them or put them in something bigger. Then we have a fig tree, brown turkey. And again, same problem as always. Forgot the name of this one. This is well known. This is my Princeps. It's doing great. And again, especially for Vincenzo, look. My big Trachycarpus Martianus. Okay, now let's go to the greenhouse. Okay, so we had frost the last 8 to 7 days, and look at the minimum temperature that it reached was 1-2 degrees, so that's enough for the plants to survive. Now it's already 12 degrees inside. That all thanks to this. No worries, it will do its thing when it's needed. So inside we have Cannas. This is Canna de Cleopatra. Then we have the, what's the name? What's the name? Play a game. That's the, I forgot. It's Winnie the Pooh, but Dahlia Winnie Pooh. Okay, then Canna tropicana. Then these beautiful, oh, how are they called? Papavers, white berry, big flowers, beautiful to have. Then I have my Melianthus major, One is doing good, the other one, I don't know, have to wait. Then also Hardy's, Dalictrum Roche, oh, again names. I'm getting older, so forgive me for that. Canna, Stuttgart. That's chocolate. Cosmos chocolate. These I forgot, so I think those are Ediciums, and also my flycatchers inside, of course. These are all 2-year-old seedlings from Fortunae and mixtures of Fortunae, so Wagnerianus mixed with Fortunae. My lovely big agave. What it's called, I don't know. This one is also from seed, the biggie. Yep. This slowly growing. I have 4. And no, it's like, oh, it's 2017. Sabal Palmetto. Very slow growing. I hope this year the first true leaf will come true. Then we have this one. I bought that because it reminds me of my name, Feoa. And Siluiana, something like that. Okay. Then we have Canariensis. Foxgloves. Beautiful. These big ones are fastunosum. Then in front we have 2 Latisectus Trachycarpus. Then here we have Australian farm. That's called Livistona australis from 2017, I think. Have to look it up. A lemon tree. And the wild variety of Phoenix rubellini, wild variety. This is a small one. This is a small Strelitzia, so dwarf variety. My 2 princeps. This you can read. So all of these are filled with the bulbs of that. Then I have Canna Intrigue Black. Some other cannas. Some other stuff. And this one is the Canna Picasso. This is, let me see, Canna Durban. So, as you can see, not much is happening inside, but it's more than outside. Still -7 at the moment, so. This will be a job for tomorrow. These are my collection of very hot peppers, and they need to be pricked out. You see, here is pure perlite, vermiculite, and this is a mixture, and tomorrow I will show you the difference and how easy it is when you use this medium.